Wow, today's a beautiful day here in Florida. Look at it, you guys. Yeah, this is so awesome. I come outside here and I look and I'm just like, I'm in paradise. And then I look over here, not torn apart, not taken apart, not in a million pieces. She is actually fully assembled, painted, driving, and she is actually holding boost. But she is one dirty girl right now. I got my drone with me, so I'm gonna go ahead and load Lexi up, start this bad Larry up, and we're gonna go ahead and hit the road. We're gonna wash her up, get some drone shots, and I'm hoping that I can get some good shots. That way you guys can see them. Some rolling shots. Hell yeah, look at this thing. She not beautiful or what, you guys?